In this video, we're going to look at how to create the posts that will be adding to our Instagram accounts. So as we've mentioned in a previous video, if you'd like to post videos to your account, then you can use a plugin to download the videos from other people's accounts, download them to your computer, where you can then simply upload them to your Instagram account, add a description, add your hashtags, and it's done. If you want to create image posts, then you can use a tool like Canva.com, which is a free tool. Just create a free account, and within Canva there are templates that are the correct sizes for Instagram. You can use these templates as is. You can change the text. You can add images from within Canva. One thing to bear in mind is not all images within Canva are free. So what you can do, you can use a tool or a website such as Pixabay, where you can search and download images for free. You can then upload these images into your Canva, and you can then add text onto these images and then download them and upload them to your Instagram account. That's the quickest and easiest way that you can create image posts that you can add to your Instagram account for free. None of those tools will cost you any money, and very easy to use, and you'll be able to upload the posts without any hassle whatsoever. Now, when it comes to actually uploading them, if you don't want to use a mobile device such as your phone or a tablet to upload content to your Instagram account, if you're much more comfortable using a desktop computer, then there's a few apps you can use. So one is Grambler, available for Windows and Mac. Now Grambler is a desktop application, and you can simply import the images that you want to upload to your Instagram account, add your descriptions, your hashtags, and Grambler will then post to your Instagram account. Now, because it's a free tool, it is slightly limited. You can't automatically add comments or hashtags in the comments. So all it will do, it will post it, and then you will have to go into your Instagram account and add your hashtags into the first comment. But it works well, and it does videos as well as image posts. The next tool is a paid tool called Hopper, available at hopperhq.com. It's very inexpensive. Now, the benefits of Hopper is it will do image posts, it will do video posts, it will add your hashtags in the first comment. You can schedule all your posts. So you can literally sit down and within an hour, you can post your content for the entire week and then just move on and forget about it. And Hopper will then post your content at the exact times you've specified. It will add a description, it will add your hashtags in the first comment. And as I say, it's very inexpensive. It also gives you all your analytics, so you can see which posts are doing well, monitors your followers, how many followers you're getting. And you can also use it to post to Facebook and Twitter if you choose. It's very inexpensive, and it's easy to use. But if you don't want to use a paid tool, Grambler will do a similar job, just you won't be able to schedule multiple posts or add hashtags in the first comment. But if you just want to do it manually, then Grambler's a good tool to use. Okay, so that concludes this video. That's how to create your Instagram content and how to post it to your account.